looks like a 7/16 20 nut. Okay guys, this is the handle that comes with that Harbor Freight jack that we were building. This is the hydraulic 8-ton item number 69475. This handle is like the biggest piece of junk. So what happens, I mean, you see there's no, it's just full of slop. Basically that's just a tube that's been pressed down to tighten that, and you basically put this together like that. Then when you go to jack this up, whoop, not that way. When you go to jack this up, look at all the slop that we have in here. We got, I mean, just here, probably, 3 inches of swing, just slop, and then it's gonna fall out and stuff. It's really a piece of junk. So we're gonna modify this. We're gonna grab, this is the tire iron that came with Patrick's LJ. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this as a 7/16 20 nut. We're gonna take that and just tack weld it to the end here. And we have this socket here, 5/8. Just a socket we have laying around. And it's a 6-point. That's gonna go on there. And we're gonna weld that to here, like this, right, Patrick? Mm-hmm. And then this is gonna double when it goes into here. Then that's gonna be nice and tight. So that's kind of what we're gonna do. We may extend this a little bit, maybe weld another socket on the end of this. We'll figure something out, but we're gonna go ahead and start this and video the process. Now we're gonna grind the paint off the valve so we can weld the nut on. Now we're hooking up the ground strap to weld the nut onto the valve. We're getting ready to mask off the jack so we can paint the nut. We're going to use this hammer black paint. Now we're going to cut off the length of the socket on the lug wrench so it fits in the stock location on the Jeep.
Hold it straight.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and chop that off. So we're gonna try to grind this down flat where it kind of fits into the socket here. So we're gonna grind it. now just going to grind the chrome off the socket so we can weld it to the lug winch. We're just trying to get it, making sure it's somewhat level or somewhat straight. Looks pretty good. I think we'll just go ahead. And there it is. We got a ground. We'll just go ahead and clean it up and paint it. Take the tape off this. There we go. And that's what that'll look like. Okay, so this is the new jack handle that we modified. This is the lug wrench. That's the 5/8 socket we stuck on there. So that'll come in there just like this. This will go on there and you just turn that. All right, we're gonna go ahead and paint this. There it is. There's the jack handle that we made. It's all done. And that basically will just come on here. Okay, like that. And you tighten it and loosen it. Okay, and then you put it in here. And jack it up and down. Okay, cool. Okay. Anyways, pretty easy mod, guys. Tell us what you think. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
And force it.
And there it goes. You see it fits in the factory location. That's the jack handle. And this here is the Harbor Freight jack. And where's the jack buddy at? Fits in there, and then we'll put a strap around it, just a rubber strap of some sort. Fits underneath there really good. Open it back up. There you go, guys. This is in a 2006 Jeep LJ. It should be the same for a TJ, but it fits in there perfect in the factory location.